Howdy, cowgirls. I'm recording on the floor because I got really fed up with my filming setup. I bought a new mic so that I wouldn't have to use this corded attached thing, and dropped my phone and immediately broke it. Let's get to the real meat. Is Ipsy worth your money? So I'm going to open this lovely package here on my lovely floor. So, to open it, some ASMR for you. First thing out of the bag, Elemis Resurfacing Facial Wash. Now I'm going to talk about this in a second because it's kind of cool. And yeah, so let's go on to the next thing. Next thing out of the bag, Vanilla Blossom. Let's see what she looks like. Like a little plastic bottle, but that's okay. That's all right. Doesn't mean it's not good. That actually smells pretty good. My favorite vanilla family smell is probably the Milk by Commodity. It has like the richest, deepest vanilla notes. It just smells so good. Okay, and now for the bag. This is the August bag, which I already saw online because you get to like see if you actually want the stuff that they're giving you or add anything new. Yeah. But it's so cute. Like, this is probably the cutest bag they could have done. Because I've gotten some bags like as gifts in the past, and like they were pretty cute. But this one is probably my favorite. It's just, and honestly, perfect for this one, perfect for this video, perfect for this channel, because I'm literally in Texas. And this is a bandana. You know who wears bandanas? Cowboys. Cowboys wear bandanas. Obviously, I kind of already know what I'm getting in here, but the Tatcha foam cleanser. I'm actually excited to try this out. I need a really good regular cleanser. The Lip Drip Oil. I haven't heard of this brand, but usually when I haven't heard of a brand like this, it's usually a small business. I won't say like super small business, but they usually have like good products. So this one is the color in Bubblegum. Whoa. Now, it certainly smells bubblegummy. Very bubblegummy. Like, stereotypical, you get the double bubble, little pink bubble gums. That's literally what this is. I don't like my lip glosses super sticky or, like, thick. I would prefer a lip oil or, like, a lighter lip gloss. So this is actually really good. I think this one's a good one. So far, we've gotten, just in the bag, the foam cleanser, the Lip Drip Oil, and the Kensie Vanilla Blossom. There's still 2 more items in here, okay? The next one, Earth Harbor Glow Juice. It's jelly. Whoa. I definitely want to try this out. I am testing out a couple of beauty products right now, and I know my skin looks really good over the camera, but I definitely have some problem areas that I'm trying to get rid of. Actually, this AHA BHA might really help. Next and last item out of the bag. What could it be? It's bubble wrap. Bisha Essential City Palette. I guess you get 3 colors. Miami, West LA, and Chicago. Let's see your... That's a nice container. That's cute. Now, there's no mirror, but those colors are really pretty. Must be Miami. A nice light shimmery, like a highlighter. West LA. It's a bit of like a brighter pink. And last but not least, Chicago, which is a really nice, like, orangey blush. Miami and Chicago are a shimmery blush, and then West LA is the Pinky Matte Blush. I'm really happy with this haul. The other cool thing about Ipsy that I like is this full-size cleanser. I was able to add it onto my order for $18, I think. If you were to buy this online for full price at the Elemis website, I think it's like $50, $56, which is crazy. So you do get, which I didn't really know about Ipsy, you get a major discount on their full-size products that are going to like their full-size like bags. Now you won't be able to buy this every single time for $18, but for the first time to try it, to see if you even like it, is honestly pretty worth it to me. And they have other brands too. Now I haven't seen like Rhode in there or anything, but I've seen, I think like some Rare Beauty stuff. I've seen Biro in there. That's where I got a Biro toner, which I really like the Biro toner and I want to buy it. It's also just expensive. And like you get to try a lot for a cheaper price, which is the biggest win I think for Ipsy. And you get to add a lot of cool stuff to your collection for a cheaper price, even if you only do the five item bag like I did. It's really not that bad. You can also gift it to somebody. But now I don't want to say like you don't need an Ipsy subscription. I never want to tell people that they need anything that they don't like a need. If you like buying your own products and doing your own research, do that, because sometimes you will get stuff that maybe you don't love. So if it doesn't seem worth it to you to be getting kind of like random products, then don't do it. But like I kind of like that I got this and the Tatcha cleanser and this one. Actually, this is like the second Tatcha thing that I've gotten from Ipsy, which is also kind of cool because Tatcha's a pretty big brand too. And Earth Harbor I've definitely heard of before. I only haven't heard of Lavaa, Bisha. I feel like maybe I have heard of Kensie before, but I'm not sure. But either way, like this is a perfume. You get to use it. Like it's a good vanilla perfume. You can use all of these. So I would say worth it or not worth it. I would go worth it. If you want to try new products, it's definitely worth it. If you have products that you love, maybe, it's still worth it, but I would say pick categories that you are looking for products to love for, because I think that's where Ipsy is really good, because they give you a wide variety of stuff. So like I'll always be down for more lip products, I'll always be down for more perfume, I'll always be down for more blush. Even though I don't wear makeup all the time, I'm a blush fiend. So it's kind of the benefit, is you just really get to try out products. So worth it for me. But thank you so much for watching my videos. Don't forget to like and subscribe. I hope you like this one. I love doing videos like this. I would love to gift some products to you guys. So if you leave any comments down below about like what stuff might be interesting that I can buy to review and then maybe give away to you guys, I would love doing that too. So just let me know in the comments or send me a message or whatever, and I will make it happen.